Okay, today we'll see unit load method for the simply supported beam to find out deflection using unit load method for the simply supported beam. This is the first problem. 50 kilonewton is acting on the beam at the point C and it's placed at a distance 2 meter from the left and 3 meter from the right. Delta C and theta C is unknown. EI is given. So to find out delta C, the step for that is wherever the point is asked to find out displacement, and that point you have to replace the load by 1 kilonewton. So this is the point C. Okay, there you have to replace delta C. You have to replace the point load as 1 kilonewton. Just assume that. For that you find out the reaction and get the value of the to calculate the bending moment. Again for theta C, for that at point C, or you have to find out the slope at the point C. So there you assume the 1 kilonewton meter rotation or couple at that point C. For that you have to find out reaction. So first for this diagram find out the reaction. So you have VA plus VB equal to 50 and summation at point A equal to 0, clockwise is positive. So you will have minus VB into 5 plus 50 into 2 equal to 0. So we will get VB as 20 kilonewton and VA as 30 kilonewton. Similarly for this diagram find out the reaction. Summation y equal to 0, upward as positive. So just assume this as VA1 and VB1. So VA1 plus VB1 equal to 1. So then moment at this point equal to 0. You have VB1 into 5 minus and this plus 1 into 2 equal to 0. So just find out VB1 and substitute back 1 minus 0.4 is nothing but 0.6 kilonewton. So this will be 0.6, this is 0.4. Similar for this, for rotation, here VA2 and VB2 equal to no point load, so it is equal to 0, and moment at this point equal to 0. You have minus anti-clockwise VB2 into 5, then this is clockwise, so plus 1 equal to 0. You will have VB2 as 0.2 and here it is 0, so 0 minus 0.2 will be minus 0.2. So this will be downward. Reaction here, this is downward, here it is upward. Okay, here it is downward 0.2, there it is upward 0.2 kilonewton. Fine, now find out the bending moment. First M you are finding for the which problem? For the given problem, find out the bending moment. So for this section is BC, draw this section at the distance x. So limit is distance, that is 0 to 3, and take the origin as this. So you will have upward positive, downward negative. So it is upward, so plus 20 into x. Next for this AC, draw the section here. So you will have x over here. So you will have take this x, or you can take this as x, take A as origin. So you have this that also plus again upward positive, so plus 30 into x. Similarly find out M1. M1 is for this diagram. So this is your x, B as origin. So you have plus 0.4 into x, and when you are taking from this side you have this is 0.6, so 0.6 into x. Similarly for this you have, suppose this is your x, you will have 0.2 into x plus, here it is downward, so minus 0.2 into x for this case. Okay, just find out the bending moments. These are bending moments for the each diagram. Next just substitute this and get the value of deflection. So delta C is M into M1. So this and this column. So you have integration of limit is first section, that is 0 to 3, 20 into x into 0.4 into x, small m1, divided by EI. Here you have same moment of inertia, no variation with I and 2I. Next you have 0 to 2 limit, 30 into x, 0.6 into x, dx divided by EI. Just integrate it. So 20 into 0.4 is a constant divided by EI. So integration of x into x is x square. So integration of x square is x cube by 3, 0 to 2, 3. Similarly here you have 30 into 0.6 by EI is a constant. Again it is x square. Integration of x square is x cube by 3, 0 to 2. Just simplify and get the value. Delta C is nothing but 120 by EI. Total you have 120 by EI. Substitute EI. EI is nothing but 8 into 10 power 4. You will have 1.5 into 10 power minus 3 meter. So you will have 1.5 mm. Okay. Next to find out theta C, consider this m and m2. Okay. You substitute 0 to 3. This is same 20 into x, and you have 0.2 into x divided by EI into dx plus 0 to 2, 30 into x, and here it is minus 0.2 into x dx divided by EI. 20 and 0.2 is a constant. Again similarly, integration of x square is x cube by 3, 0 to 3 limit. Here you have plus into minus sign, so take it outside. 30 into 0.2 by EI is a constant. Integration of x square is similarly, that is x cube by 3, 0 to 2. Just calculate and get the value of theta C. You will have 20 by EI, which is equal to, EI is 8 into 10 power 4. So you will have 0.00025 radians. Okay, that's all. Next we'll see the next problem. Okay, this is the second problem. Eudian and couple is given in the problem. A and C are the simply supported. EI is given. To find out deflection at B and D. Okay. First step, to find out the reaction. So summation y equal to 0, upward as positive. BA plus BC equal to 20 into 2. No need of considering the couple. So that is 40. Taking this moment at point A is equal to 0, clockwise as positive. So this is anti-clockwise. So minus BC into distance is 4. Then this plus 20 and this plus 20 into 2 by 2 equal to 0. You will have BC as 15, VA as 40 minus 15, 25 kilonewton. Now to find out deflection at point B, so remove all the load and take 1 kilonewton at that point B. Okay. Next for that, find out the reaction. It is summation y, again VA1 plus VC1 equal to 1. At this point moment equal to 0, you have minus VC1 into 4 distance plus this is 1 into 2 equal to 0. You will have VC1 0.5 kilonewton and VA1 also 0.5 kilonewton. Similarly, now remove all the load and to find out deflection at D, at point D, replace or put 1 kilonewton at the point D. Then for that find out the reaction. Similarly, VA2 plus VC2 equal to 1. Moment at this point equal to 0. This is minus VC2 into 4 plus 1 into 3 equal to 0. So you will get VC2 as 3 by 4, that is nothing but 0.75, and VA1 1 minus 0.75 is 0.25 kilonewton. Once finding the reaction, now do the tabulation. Section origin limit M, M1, M2 and I. Here section and all CD, BD and AB are the 3 members. Take origin for first one, take as C as origin. Second, this member take B as origin, and for this take A as origin. You can take anything, but similarly you have to draw the section. Limit distance here 1 meter, 1 meter and 2 meters. So 0 to 1, 0 to 1 and 0 to 2. Now for this, find bending moment at this region, that is M. Here C as origin, so draw the section here. So you will have upward positive, so 15 into X. Then taking B as origin, so draw a section here, but you have to consider from left. So you will have this minus 25 plus 25 into x plus, this is x plus 2 distance. Then you have to consider this UDL. So it will be minus 20 into 2 by 2 is 1 plus x. Okay, to consider of this section. Next, draw here, this is x, A as origin. So you have 25 into x minus this UDL 20 into 2 in here you have to consider only the x. So x square by 2, x into x by 2. So you will have x square by 2. Next, coming to this diagram, M1 for this. So first this is a member. So x you will have plus 0.5 into x. While considering this B as origin, you have this is x. So you have 0.5 into x plus distance here, x plus 2. Then this minus 1 into x, so minus x. Similarly, by taking this x, so you have this just 0.5 into x. Now coming to this M2, it is similar. So you will have 0.75 into x. Now B as origin, you have this same thing, that is 0.25 into x plus, here it is x, so x plus 2, then no other loads, only so much. Now taking this, you have just 0.25 into x. Is it clear? So first M for this diagram, M1 for this diagram, and M2 for this diagram. Once this is done tabulation, now directly write the formula and substitute, get the integrated and get the value of deltas. Now first here you have to take the x, so you will have this into this. Now B as origin, so you have 25 into, you have to consider this full distance, so x plus 2, and minus, this is downward, so minus 20 into 2 by 2 will be 1, and you have to consider up to the section, so it will be 1 plus x. Similarly for this, 25 into x and minus 20 into just x distance, x into x by 2, so 20 into x square by 2. Similarly for this diagram M1 and for this diagram M2. Okay, now substitute the formula and get the value of delta D and delta B. Delta B, M1 by EI into dx. Section first 0 to here 1, M is 15 into x, M1 is 0.5 into x divided by EI into dx plus 0 to 1, this whole region you have just take that bracket, so 25x plus 25 into 2, that is 50. Then you will have this minus 20 to 2 is 40, so minus 40 minus 40 into x divided by EI into here M1 is so you I'll write here M1. So M1 is 0.5x plus 1 minus x. Okay. Next, third section AD. So it limit is 0 to 2. You have 25x minus here 2 ones are 2. This will be 10. So minus 10x square. And M1 is 0.5 times x. EI into dx. Now just simplify multiplications, divide everything you do. You will get the final answer as, for first you will have, after simplification, after integrating, you will have 2.5 by EI plus, and this member, this point you will have again 2.5 by EI. And last one you have 13.33 by EI. So just add it, you will have final total as 18.33 by EI. Substitute EI and get the value of delta B. 18.33 by 10 into 10 power 4, you will have delta as 0.813 into 10 power minus 3 meter, so 0.813 millimeter. Similarly, find out for the delta D. Here you have to consider M and M2. So you will have M as 15x, 0 to 1 limit, and this you will have 0.75x dx by EI plus 0 to 1, you will have 25x plus 50, same thing, 40 minus after simplification, and this you will have 0.25 into x plus 2. So 0.25 x plus 0.25 into 2, you will have 0.5. Okay, into dx, divided by EI, then again plus 0 to 2, you will have this 25x minus 10x square, first part M value, and M2 is nothing but 0.25x dx by EI. And simplify and integrate it, you will have 3.75 by EI, first part of the integration, and next you will have 1.25 by EI, and last part you will have 6.67 by EI. So total value is 11.67 by EI. EI is 10 into 10 power 4. So therefore delta D is equal to 0.117 into 10 power minus 3. So this will be meter 7 millimeter. That's all for overhanging beam. We'll see in the next class. Thank you.